Typically when we think about the smart home, we think about inside the home, but today we're going to look at a new gadget that is really for the outside of your home. Taking a look at the B-hyve Smart Wi-Fi Sprinkler Timer. This is really cool, but you're going to need a pre-existing sprinkler system for this to work. Now I said it's called B-hyve, but it's actually spelled B-H-Y-V-E. And in terms of its shape, it's actually in the shape of a box. It's about 8 inches long, I'd say 6 inches high, and about 3¼ inch depth. It comes in this box that has a lock on it. So when you open it up, that's where you could actually see the touch controls that you could use it on. And there's 4 buttons on each side, and right in the middle is a knob to allow you to turn around. There is also a screen on here that tells you a variety of different types of information. Also features a really cool thing called Smart Weather Sense. What that means is it can actually receive local weather data and automatically adjust your controller to deliver the right amount of water to your plants. So if you're having a monsoon, this thing is not going to turn on to water your lawn because it understands that it's already been raining. By that, you know it has to connect to the local weather forecast. Lots of tech inside here. In fact, it's got Alexa integration. You could tell Alexa to start watering your lawn from inside your home. It also supports iOS and an Android app, so you could do it manually on your phone as well. You can get them in 2 different zones. You can have this in a 6 or 12 zone. This one right here is the 6 zone. And the 6 zone actually works at the 2.4 Wi-Fi network spectrum. So that means you're going to have to have Wi-Fi outside your home for this to be able to connect. And this control panel comes in this weather-resistant case that can also be locked. So people aren't going to be watering your lawn when you're out and about. So if you already have a pre-existing sprinkler system in your home and you want to make it smart, you got to check this out. Now, if you're going to just need the 6 zone, that'll run you about $145. If, however, you need 12 zones, that's just $20 more at $165. Again, we're looking at the B-hyve Smart Wi-Fi Sprinkler Timer. You get more information at bhyve.orbitonline.com. That's BHYVE.orbitonline.com.